Alright, so now we're going to go through potato. Again, with our kitchen bowl, we're going to peel the potato. Now what's important with working with potatoes is that you always want to put your potatoes into water so that they don't oxidize or rust. That way, whenever you use them in the final application, they'll have a nice white color. Again, using our peeler, we're going to take off all the skin of the potato, and then we're going to rinse it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to work on basically all of our different cuts with the potato. So we're going to give this a little rinse. Okay. Now, again, because the potato is round, we're going to square it off so we have a nice flat surface to work with. Now, if we're going to do our large dice, we would just make our cuts, turn it, make our cuts, even cuts. Medium dice, small dice, the same thing. What we're going to do now is we're going to start off with our baton size cut, which is 1/4 of an inch thick, and basically where we're going to go from here is for our small dice. Now, I would square the ends off so that we have a nice uniform cutting surface. Now, going to cut 1/4 of an inch through, basically have our nice batons, which would be 2-inch long. We just double them here, and this is for our nice small dice. Again, great cut for soups. If you wanted to make a chowder, it's a perfect size cut. These are also great for breakfast cooking. If you want to make a hash, a potato hash, something like that, it's a great size cut. Now, on to a little bit smaller size. Now, with this, since we have it nice and square, now we would go to our julienne cut, which is 1/8 of an inch thick. Again, squaring it off on all sides, so we get nice even pieces. Something I always like to work with close by is a nice towel, kitchen towel, so if your hands are wet or damp, you kind of dry them off. It's always great to have a kitchen towel close, that way you can wipe up spills or anything that's on the work surface. Now, again, we have our 1/8 of an inch thick, and basically we're going to make our julienne cut. So, now you have your nice julienne pieces. Again, if we wanted to, we can turn these and make our brunoise, or simply just use them as a julienne. Julienne cut is great if you wanted to make shoestring potatoes and crisp those up. That's another great cut right there.